Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you a new product we're really excited about. It's a dash camera from Drone Mobile, which actually allows you to view the camera from your phone, so it'll live stream. We were waiting for this product for a really long time. Finally got released. We're selling a ton of them. They're really great, of course, typical dash camera for liability. Someone cuts you off, you get into an accident, great to have the footage so you can show the insurance company. We're actually doing 15 of these cameras for our good friends at Heart & Son, great trash company. So if you guys need anything from them, please reach out to them. I'm going to show you the camera here. So this is the example here. It mounts on the windshield of, whether it's your truck, car, we can do any vehicle. The camera's at the bottom. It has a little wheel which you can turn up and down to adjust the view angle. A couple buttons. You really don't have to do anything with the camera itself once it's set up. The way that it works, it has motion. So if the vehicle's parked and someone walks in front of it or hits the vehicle, it'll wake up and start recording. You can actually go on from the app and view the video in real time. So if your vehicle is parked, you can get an alert. You can see what's going on with it. This thing actually has tracking as well, so you can locate the vehicle. So if you have a fleet of vehicles or you have a new driver or you're worried about your car getting stolen, you can actually, from the app, locate the vehicle. You can see the speed. You can set up geofences, so anytime a vehicle enters or leaves a premises, it'll notify you on your phone. Ton of features, really cool. And then, of course, like I said, regular dash camera. So it's always recording when you're driving. So if somebody cuts you off or something happens, and you're not liable, it's great to have that saved so you can show your insurance company. Really cool unit. The other thing with this is we have interior camera you can purchase or a rear facing camera. So if you want to put one on the back of the vehicle, you can do that, or you can have it face in. Again, great for liability. Someone rear ends you, you have it on video. So it's a really hot piece. We were waiting months and months for this to be released, and finally we have plenty of them in stock. So again, personal vehicles, they make a great addition. And of course, if you have a fleet of vehicles, we can handle that as well. If you guys need anything like this, please give me a call, 610-328-0301. Thanks.